Hello, I'm Mike with Fuse. I just stepped outside of our office here to show you something. So today we'll talk about electrification, about going off fuel and gas. And as you can see, probably like a while ago we wouldn't see 3 electric cars right here. Our company trying to get rid of the gas as well. We're doing lots of electrification projects, and we're also transforming from driving a gas vehicles, electric vehicles, because that's the future. It's a cleaner, it's a safer, there is less chance of something to happen when you use electricity instead of gas. If anyone remembers, in 2010 in San Bruno there was a huge gas explosion.
Dozens of homes destroyed after a huge explosion last night. It was apparently caused by a broken gas line.
Something like that is, highly unlikely if you have electric wires under the ground instead of gas. They're just not gonna burst for no reason. So just a simple idea of the safety-wise, efficiency, and all those things, because gas and all of that stuff is not safe. It's just simply like ancient way of bringing electricity and power to the cars. So today we have completely different stuff going on, and it's also a good way to be clean, green, and go away from fossil fuels. Therefore, in Fuse we have a strong mission to do electrification and to help as many people as possible to get off gas and start using the proper equipment that is very efficient today. So we have different licenses: HVAC, electrical, plumbing license, and we can help you to get heat pump water heaters. They use electricity, nothing else. They don't use gas. HVAC heat pump systems for your whole house. They don't use any gas. Obviously, we install EV chargers, and we'll give you a good analysis and good consultation of what kind of equipment you can install in your house that would help you be more efficient, spend less money, and have a way better product. Please reach out to us and we'll be happy to give you an estimate, come out to your project site and do a good assessment of everything that needs to be done. We're always available. You can either contact us online or call us or send us an email, and we'll come out and help you. Thank you.